Good afternoon. We're here with Elaine and we just closed on her property and we just have a few questions for you this afternoon, Elaine. First of all, why did you decide to sell your home as is?
Because it needs a lot of updating, and my updates would not. I knew I was going to have to sell the house, but I didn't want to update it to my taste. I wanted somebody who could come in and who knows what the market is bearing and what people are looking for today.
Right. Oh, and what made you decide to go with us here?
Your postcards really have just, they've been coming to me for several years, and I have just followed the bounds. And I was just impressed with their cards and what they had to say, and I've saved them and saved them and saved them. And when that card in my hand just felt good. And I had a lot of other ones too. But
Wow, that is great. That's pretty awesome. And then finally, how has your experience with us through the process of the sale of your home been?
I couldn't have asked for anything better. From the agent who came out to visit me the very first time and go through my house, till today, everything, phone calls, it's been wonderful. I haven't had to stress a minute. I know I did the right thing.
Good. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us today. We really appreciate it.